everyone, I'm Kanak and you're watching Ready Steady Eat again. Today I'm going to show you how to make Kesar Peda. Peda is a traditional Indian sweet and it is also known as milk fudge. This recipe is very rich and it is very easy to make and it hardly takes any preparation time and effort. The traditional method of making peda was very labor intensive and time taking as we used to make khoya first for that. But today we are not going to do it that way, we are going to make it more easier with the help of milk powder. So let's see what all you need for this. 2 tablespoons of clarified butter or ghee, 200 grams of sweetened condensed milk, around 200 grams or 1 cup of milk powder, pinch of cardamom powder. Here I have used full cardamom crushed with sugar. If you want, you can use only the seeds of it. Few strands of saffron soaked in 2 tablespoons of milk. Some pistachios to garnish. First heat a heavy bottom vessel or container. Now add ghee or clarified butter to it. And once you see that the ghee is melted properly, now is the time to add condensed milk to it. And now keep stirring it for a minute. Now when you see that the ghee and the condensed milk have incorporated together, now it's the time to add milk powder to it. And keep stirring it constantly on low to medium high flame. Keep breaking it so that no lumps are formed. Keep stirring it so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Now add cardamom powder to it and again mix it well. Keep mixing it to form a smooth dough consistency. When you see all the things are incorporated together to form a dough like this, now it's the time to add saffron milk to it. This gives a nice color and flavor to the peda. If you want, you can skip the saffron and also make plain pedas out of it. Keep stirring it to form a smooth dough. Keep mixing it until the color of the mixture changes little yellow. Keep breaking it and smoothing it out till it becomes a smooth dough consistency and it should not stick to the bottom of the pan. Here I have used saffron. If you want, you can quit the saffron also and make plain milk pedas. In market, the pedas which you get are very yellow in color because they add artificial color to it. Here I have used only saffron milk and it is very natural and free of any artificial colors. So if you want more color, you can add some artificial color to it. Once you see that it has formed thick dough-like consistency, and now is the time to switch off the heat. Now remove the mixture in a plate and allow it to cool enough till you can handle the mixture with the hands. Slightly grease your hands, fingers and palm with some ghee to make small roundels out of the mixture. You can make the shape bigger or smaller however you want. Keep doing this until no cracks are formed and slightly flatten it with the help of your finger. Enough. Now repeat the procedure for the rest of the mixture. Now you can garnish and decorate the pedas with the nuts of your choice, but here I am using pistachio as it gives a very nice color to the dish. Now my lovely, rich, chewy pedas are ready to eat now. Doesn't it look lovely? Do try it and let me know how it turned out in the comment section below. Also hit the like button and do subscribe to Ready Steady Eat for more such lovely recipes. Bye bye.